Question 13d, Part 1. The numbers a, b and c are related by the equations a equals b minus d and c equals b plus d, where d is a constant. Show that sin a plus sin c over cos a plus cos c equals tan b. From the left-hand side, we have sin a plus sin c over cos a plus cos c. Now a equals b minus d and c equals b plus d. So that equals sin of b minus d plus sin of b plus d over cos of b minus d plus cos of b plus d. And expanding these trigonometric ratios of compound angles, that equals sin b cos d minus sin d cos b plus sin b cos d plus sin d cos b over cos b cos d plus sin b sin d plus cos b cos d minus sin b sin d. Now in the numerator, the sin d cos b terms will cancel, and in the denominator, the sin b sin d terms will cancel. So that equals 2 sin b cos d over 2 cos b cos d. And this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and this cos d and cos d will cancel there. And that equals sin b over cos b, which equals tan b as required. Part 2. Hence or otherwise, solve sin 5 theta over 7 plus sin 6 theta over 7 over cos 5 theta over 7 plus cos 6 theta over 7 equals the square root of 3 for theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. From part 1, tan b is equal to the square root of 3, a is equal to 5 theta over 7, and c equals 6 theta over 7. Solving for b, we get b equals pi over 3 or 4 pi over 3. So that's the angle in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Now we have values for a and c, which we have already established. So a equals 5 theta over 7 and c equals 6 theta over 7. Now again from part 1, we have two equations that relate a, b, c and d. So a equals b minus d and c equals b plus d. And we solve these two equations simultaneously to eliminate d. So adding these two equations together, so using the elimination method, we get a plus c is equal to 2b. Now to solve for theta. So 5 theta over 7 plus 6 theta over 7 is equal to 2 pi over 3 or 8 pi over 3. So that's doubling pi over 3 or 4 pi over 3. Adding these two fractions together, since they have a common denominator, we have 11 theta over 7 is equal to 2 pi over 3 or 8 pi over 3. Dividing both sides by 11 over 7, we get theta is equal to 14 pi over 33 or 56 pi over 33, which lie in the interval theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi.